great show. There is a mix of everything at this show. JDM, American, English, European, you name it, we got it. Some lowriders. Auckland, New Zealand. Auckland Showgrounds. Hey, Boosted. I tried to get MR2 in because the pile keep going past. Hey, Brody, what part of the US are you from? There's some pretty cool cars in here though. It's filling up so fast. It's kind of like the last coffee and cars for us before we head into winter. Hey Hayley. Going back to sleep. Bye-bye. Enjoy your sleep. Hey, Pink Evo, how are you? We're at Auckland Showgrounds. Nice Primera. Not sure about that one. God, nice old Datsun. Hey Mad Māori, how are you? Here's the Pinoy crew. Always see this guy, this ute's lovely. Nice Maloo. Gorgeous. There was a pile of people here before we arrived, so yeah. Hey Pigeon. It's usually once a month, but this is the last one before we go into winter, and then they'll start up around October again. I guess this is for sale, guys. Auckland Showgrounds in New Zealand. I was trying to get MR2 in because there's so many that we've passed. Oh wow, okay. That's cool. Look at that. Volkswagen. Oh, these guys all went to McDonald's on the way here. Nice Nismo. Gotta clean my car last night. Got a pink meet this Arvo. Oh, that'll be cool. No, we're at Auckland Showgrounds. Oh, here you go, Pink Evo. Can see what's coming in. Hopefully go live.
Is that guy going to...
Evo, eh? It's so cool. There's just, you know, something for everybody, which is cool. It's a great morning for it. It's not too hot. Look at this thing. Yeah. Hello. Thank you for the roses. Oh, wow. Thank you for the roses. How many of these do we need? Obviously, it's the club. Got 1, 2, 3, 4. Holden's going to cut off the 5th one. Wouldn't want to cut off a cobra and pay for it. 2. We're in Auckland, New Zealand, at the Auckland Showgrounds. $260. I like that. Rum, rum. Old school RX-7. Thank you for the heart, me. He's in a bit of a hurry over the back. Interesting. Auckland Showgrounds, guys. There's gonna be a problem though, because there's way too many cars coming. Here you go, Pink Evo. Here's Pinky. Wow, that is so bright. Pink and purple together. Auckland, New Zealand, Auckland Showgrounds. It starts at 9, so these guys are coming in. But you can see, if I show you, just how packed it is. So they're going to have a problem again with not being able to get everybody in. You just come in, make sure you turn left for parking. No cost to come in and look at the cars. But I think they'll be turning quite a lot away, because it's pretty packed already. Yeah, a McLaren just went past us. We know there's a couple of Ferraris in here, but the McLaren just went past us. Don't know where he parked. He's somewhere down there. At 12 o'clock, but usually people wind out of here from any time from sort of 10:30 on. Auckland, New Zealand, yep, car show. Where's the Nissan gang? Quite a few have just gone past. Tell this guy, which guy? This one or that one? Joey Pasto's on the house. Hey buddy, thank you for the heart puff and the cup. Hi. The Honda's in the background. they're going to have a big problem. They won't be able to get them all in. Alfa Romeo. Not the Honda CRX. You'll be surprised what we see here, eh? So random. This guy's like, I don't want to be with the JDM. Going around this way. Thank you for the rose. Mini driver's doing mini driver things. He's trying to park over there. We're at the Auckland Showgrounds. Thank you so much for the roses. Doing a Mr. Bean, right? Going the wrong way in traffic.
Get the Yaris on film?
Oh, yes. Cheeky. Oh my God, there's so many of them. V-Dub gang. Not funny, old timer. Right? Golfer. Free, yeah. You just gotta park when you come in. You gotta park on the left-hand side, unless you're showing a car. Yeah. So this Ford's obviously been brought in from South Africa. Hey, cheers! Thanks for the heart, mate. It's not a Yaris meet and greet event, but there's a few here. An old BSA. Driven, the back. You're loving it? It's so cool, right? And because it was a surprise one, no one thought this one was going to happen. Like, everybody's come out. Everybody. I mean, look how full it is, guys. Auckland Showgrounds. Holden crew. Porsche in the background, convertible. Yes, in Green Lane. So Auckland Showgrounds, where they have the Easter show. They didn't break down, mate. Plenty in here already. Nice Barracuda. much to come in and view the cars. There's fire. Aston Martin on the back there. Supra. We're at Auckland Showgrounds. Look at that thing coming through. The old Lotus. Subi gang. See, they're starting to fill up now, so they're all jammed in. Let's go up and take a look, because they're all going to sit here for a while, I think. Another Supra. Mini. Like, damn, look at the colour on this thing. It comes through red, but it's like fluoro red, like. That thing is so bright. Auckland Showgrounds. This is so loud. Damn. Midday, yeah. A lot of them will leave early though. It's fluoro red though. It looks redder on the screen. I think a lot of people are going to be like the very first one they had. Nice Shelby Cobra beside us. It's a Capri doing, reversing. Skylines, plenty of Skylines here. Who tells them where to park? There's lots of volunteers that tell them where to park. Good morning, how are you? Oh, what was that? Thank you for the freestyle. See, now they're going to start parking them over this side because they're running out of room. So, which means some of these people get upset, like, because they want to show their car down on this main part. He's somewhere around with little campers. They were having coffee. We're at Auckland Showgrounds. heaps of Emma too, so like, I don't know. Oh, hey, how are you?
I'm good. How about yourself?
I'm good, thanks. He's with little campers somewhere.
Is he?
Yeah,
Having a hot dog.
probably.
I was going to squeeze on your line, but I mean,
Hi, Maddie. Wrangler, where are you? Nice skyline, yep. That's it. Jimmy's in there somewhere too. Yeah. Ooh, look at that. It's a nice fair lady, man. Yeah, that's just people that are watching the show. That's nice.
Oh, they're good, eh?
You had a white fair lady like that? Howdy and welcome, y'all. We're at Auckland Showgrounds. It is free, yep. So many cars though. It's insane today. What? I owe you a yeehaw? Seriously? Do I? Oh wow, thank you for the minigun. Yeehaw! There you go. Nice.
Is Sassy, is she on?
No. Nice Aston Martin. Oh. And they keep coming. Oh, nice VW coming in. Thank you for the heart, me. Yes, there's Lamborghinis. Happy Saturday afternoon. Happy Sunday. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? So many JDMs today. Thank you for the Go Popular and you're awesome. A car show. The Honda Crew, yeah, well, one of the Honda Crews, there's so many. They'll try and open, they normally open up with this. Up the feet up. Auckland Showgrounds. It was quite cold this morning, but it's starting to warm up pretty quickly. Lots of Hondas today. Need a blast at Hampton Downs. See, they get angry. They want to go through the front. But they're late, you know? Nice holding. Auckland Showgrounds. Yeah. Comes the NYPD. So now they're full. So all these cars I'm not going to get on. Let's see where they go. Nice. No crashes, no. Sounds nice. Does he want to park right here? Good luck. Maserati. No more. What a shame. I mean, it's great that so many cars came out, but there's, you know, there's no room for them. It's usually once a month in summer. This is the last one till the summer season starts up again. Kiwi, kiwi, kiwi. All that petrol, I know, right? But you know, if you are showing your car here, it starts at 9. You've got to be here before 9. So it is a bit of a shame though. Winter starts next month for us, so we're in autumn or fall as some people call it around the world. They do ask you to arrive before 9. I'm not sure I like the stance on that car. I mean, it's cool for him, but Morena, how are you? What do I use for a pin? Coffee and Cars, Auckland Showgrounds. I like his plate. Thank you, Mr. Versatile, for the heartbeat and the Go Popular. I like his plate, broski. Here's our mate, Gears of War. He'll be upset if he can't get in. No, it's free to come and have a look at the show. You just need to come in and turn up. Hi Frederick, thank you for the tiny diny. Roar. It's a bit chaotic at this entrance. Thank you, Joey. Yep, perfect. We're at Auckland Showgrounds in New Zealand. They've got a problem with too many cars at the show, but that's okay, right? Good problem to have. Comes the NSX at the back. Let the NSX in. Yeah, it's a great problem to have, right? Here's the NSX over the back there. Oh yeah, they've opened up this middle bit, so that's alright. Here's the NSX. Z. That's normal traffic. I mean, look at that parking. You could get like 3 cars in there if they didn't park like that. My lives of the chat, like my lives of the chat. Hopefully everyone's having a great day. Thank you for joining me. Tap and share it out. We'll go and try and have a nosy at some of them once we finish seeing them trying to get in, but there's some really great cars here. And then there'll be people like this that'll be like, oh nah, I'm leaving. Another Porsche. Morning, Demi. There's GT Koro. Yeah, he's got a few cool cars. Oh, he's tucking him in beside where I am. Another Aston Martin over the back. Yeah, coffee and cars. Green Lane, yeah, opposite the entrance to One Tree Hill.
Sorry, no, it's not really. It's full. I'm going to enjoy watching the cars. How are you? Good?
Good. Beautiful
Huge
day.
turnout, yeah.
Huge.
Friends are gonna eat up and down.
I don't know. Thank you for the hand hearts. Ooh, nice deep purple. That's kind of like Unrealistic's colour car. Honda gang.
Want to go here? Space, one in there? Yep.
More Honda. Yeah.
The biggest show that I've actually been.
Wrangler, where are you? If you're in here.
Send it a message.
It's honestly such a good problem that there's so many cars. Yes, we've had RX-7s. I wonder how many are out here on the road. Let's go have a look, eh? Hey Tilly! Let's go see how many people are waiting to get in. Good morning, Becky. How are you? It's free to come and look at the cars. Oh, that's nice. Oh yeah, they got a problem. So these are show cars here. You're going to translate for everyone and look at the show cars trying to get in this side. It's huge today. Absolutely huge. So you'll get a lot of people that'll leave because they won't be able to get in. I mean, that's just insane. It goes all the way down to the other lights.
It's all the way down to the boys, eh?
But they should have got here earlier, so they always get angry too. It's crazy, right? Alright, let's go inside. And let's go look at some cars before we have to try and get them coming out. Let's go down and look at Gears of War in case some of you haven't seen him. So many people though, eh? It's great. Here's Gears of War. This thing sounds pretty good, not gonna lie. It's got those deep dishes on that Joey Passo loves. It finishes at 12, but you'll find people will start leaving at about 10:30, 11 o'clock. Blowing to be known. Chicago deep dishes, yeah. What a gorgeous German Shepherd.
Yeah, it was the only entrance.
Alright, let's go. Yeah. Nice boyfriend for Prada. Okay, I need to find Wrangler. I need to try and get my jacket into the truck because now I'm getting hot. I mean, there's so much more room down here. Nice. What's your favourite accessory on cars? Yeah, I'm gonna say wheels do make a car, but in a good exhaust system. This is beautiful. Thank you for the journey pass, Tilly. Still at the cafe, but the ram's unlocked. All right, go down to the cafe.
Oh, yeah.
All right, well, let's go find the ram. Yeah. Corvettes, anyone? Okay, I just need to try and get rid of my jacket. And then we can look at whatever you guys want to look at. Is Hellcat in here? Now we think we know who owns this one. Nice old Datsun. Spotto. Not a big fan of the Lotus, I've got to admit. Wing, not approved. Another Dodge Ram. Let's go. And here's Little Campers V-Dub, one of our friends. Such a cool V-Dub, it really is. It's just gorgeous. Look at that. You can follow him on YouTube if you want. Lovely gentleman.
This is just...
it is a stunning car.
It's gorgeous.
Yeah, it's stunning.
It is beautiful.
And it's got 2 wind wipers.
You should grab this one.
Now the window wipers are the big second.
Is it?
Coffee and cars. This is gorgeous. Nice Chevy van. Yeah, lovely paint job. Just gorgeous. The white box on the left. Hold on. Alright, hang on. We're trying to get to our truck so we can take my jacket off. Oh, I got a clip of these guys. These are cool. I'm getting sidetracked. There's just so much going on. Cars, cars, cars. It's alright, we'll slow down shortly. Pinky! Love this colour. It's gorgeous. Right. Okay, let me just put you here for a sec. Okay, that's better. So this is our truck. She'll just went to fake. She'll be back in a minute. I don't know if Hellcat's seen our truck. If he's still in here or not. But we're gonna sell it. I think we're gonna sell it. Get something for next season. You have a Chevy Tahoe? Nice. Yeah, so sorry, I just threw my jacket on the ground there. But this is the beast. Hey Wellesley, thank you for the heart me. What's it worth? I don't know. Talk to Wrangler if you're interested in it. But yeah, it's a good ride. Alright, let's go over here. Cool as name, my Kiwi. Nice. Glenn?
Yes.
Hello. I remember you. You probably don't remember me. Hang on, let me just put you on mute. Hello, I'm back. Sorry, I just saw the owner. So that gentleman I know pretty well. He owns this Corvette. Look at this, nice vet. Isn't it gorgeous? My Tahoe is banned from there. Why? Isn't that a gorgeous vet? So the guy over there with the arms folded, it's his car. So I walked past him and I did a double take and I was like, I know you. Beautiful vet. It is too loud. Really? Hellcat, when are you starting up your shows? Let's go over and look at these crazy things if I can get across without getting run over. Tomorrow? Nice. I mean, gee. Yeah. See, all these guys came too late. It's a rotary there. Rotary. I'm digging this one. Hey Dirty Leg, how are you? Isn't this just gorgeous? Look at that. The paint job on this is just to die for. It's sweet, eh, Scott? How are you? Share it out, guys. Let's get some people in here. It's going to be great when they all leave. Let's go and have a look at this. Let's have a look. Hiya.
How you doing?
Come a bit late, did you?
Well, no, we didn't think so.
It's packed today, eh?
See that?
Look at this. This is mint. Love the colour. It's so cool. R34. Love the colour.
It is.
Up the wires.
Are you screaming?
It's pretty shocking. I've got cars everywhere today. And we can't walk them all, unfortunately. Digging the colour of this Porsche, look at that. Look at that colour, guys. Beautiful, deep purple. Lovely. Oh wow, have I been live an hour already? That's insane. Let's go down here. The Waz played good last night. Thank you for the roses, Ree. How are you? Pretty. Up the Waz. Yep. My oldest son sent me a video last week and he managed to make it into the club rooms and while they were doing that chant. And I was like, how are you in the club rooms, you know, in the changing rooms when they're chanting like that? We're at Auckland Showgrounds. You'll take the Black Chaser? So cute. What do we got? 86. This one I've already got on a video from last year, actually, from Beach Hop. It's a nice Continental. The old Lincoln. You like the colour combo of the black and orange? It's hectic. Yeah, it looks good, eh? Welcome in, Croatia. It's one place I would love to visit. This one's for pigeon. Actually, there's heaps for pigeon, there's heaps of Nissans here. Alright. When in doubt, just walk around. So what's the colour combo in this? Red interior, interesting. I do like an Aston Martin. Here you go, Pigeon. You still in here, Pigeon?
It's not a real. I told you to write
Yep.
Senta no
It's packed. It is so packed. It's free to come in and look at the cars, but getting a car in to show might be a little bit hard. It's just really packed.